Now student, we have learnt about temperature. What is temperature? And now we will talk about how we will measure the temperature. We can measure the temperature by using the thermometer. You all know it. But there are different thermometers. You have been seen that solids, liquids and gases expand on heating. The hotter an object is, the more it expands. Therefore, one of the way of measuring temperature is to measure the expansion of solids, liquid or gases. However, solids expand very little, while in gases the expansion is very high. Therefore, to measure the temperature, we usually measure expansion in liquids. The instrument used to measure temperature is known as thermometer, and it uses the principle that's same as that of the apparatus used to observe expansion in liquid. We use the laboratory thermometer also. It consists of a long, thin and uniform glass tube sealed at one end, with the bulb fitted with the liquid at the other end. The most commonly used liquid is mercury. A shining thread of mercury can be seen from the outer side of the thermometer. And the other thermometers are the clinical thermometer. To check the body temperature, a thermometer is placed in your mouth. The temperature recorded in a laboratory thermometer will fall as soon as it is taken out of your mouth. To get a correct reading, therefore, a clinical thermometer is used. This thermometer has a slight bend or kink in the stem just above the bulb. When the thermometer is taken out of your mouth, the liquid in the bulb contracts and the mercury column breaks at the kink. Therefore, the level of mercury in the stem remains the same. If the thermometer is to be used again, it is first given a jerk to bring the mercury in the stem back into the bulb. You know students, the normal body temperature of a healthy person is 37 degree Celsius or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. It goes up if the person has fever. However, it does not go below 35 degrees centigrade or above 42 degrees Celsius. Therefore, a clinical thermometer has a range of 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius, which is commonly used the temperature range in form 34 degree Fahrenheit to 108 Fahrenheit. We convert the Celsius scale into the Fahrenheit scale. And in laboratory thermometer, the range is from minus 10 degree Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. When we use the thermometer to measure the temperature, we should follow some precautions. The thermometer should be washed before and after use. A thermometer is delicate and should be handled with care to avoid breakage. It should not be held by the bulb while reading the thermometer. It should be kept upright and not tilted. It is for the laboratory thermometer. The bulb should be completely surrounded by the substances whose temperature is being measured, and the bulb should not touch the sides of the container. So, these are some precautions that we should have to be taken while measuring the temperature. So students, I hope you understood about temperature and about measuring temperature. Now solve your worksheet. Thank you.